So in this way, just carry through the practice of the Guru Yoga, just every time with the devotion. So thinking whether it is right or wrong, in this way, just never just have that kind of just doubt. And having doubt that one cannot get any single benefit. And that one's mind stream also that need to be just pure. So based on that one's devotion, according to that one carry through the supplication prayers that one can receive the blessings. If we once have that doubt, that thinking this is right or wrong, or just whether it is okay or not, then even just a real Buddha come in front of you also cannot just really do anything. So mainly it is the one's mind stream, how you could train it. One's mind without any doubt and hesitation, and then doing that practice, supplication, that one could definitely receive that blessing. Same like that the old lady who just received the blessing from the dog's tooth. So it is just similar like that. That any time just when one do the practice, one need to have that devotion and inclination. So that all these qualities that could not give rise to, and we could not just generate all this like compassion and devotion and so forth, is because of the obscuration that known as the dualistic thoughts, and then the conceptual mind, and then the wrong view and hesitations. So through that kind of having doubt, and then just examining, and in that way, if there is anyone who could attain enlightenment, then that becomes important. But that really does not happen in that way. So, for example, like the gold, that to examine the gold, whether it is pure or not, then you just cut it, and then you rub it, and then you boil it, and with all this, you just examine that whether that gold is pure or not. Similar like that, the Dharma teaching, and especially the secret Mantrayana teaching, and everything you have to just examine, and through all your best capability and intellectual, and then you could just understand it. And Buddha's teaching, in general, there is the definitive meaning and then the provisional meaning. So provisional meaning, which means that it is aspect of the path that which helps them to lead to the path and then to develop their path, and then they could understand the just ultimate truth.
So much to the non Dobachim Bichu, nothing. Yen and it call Yabati Germa, soon Yabachima Tele, don't get a humor.
Especially like the secret Mantrayana teachings, and moreover the Dzogchen, all the Dzogchen teachings, these are, it has been taught exactly according to the absolute true nature of phenomena, what it is, just the nature of abiding. There is no any tiny bit of it which is known as a provisional meanings.
Caressa Charanto Church, let it depend on what young song years. They tell some mother, and the young top of the dodo, they did turn to this.
So we are thinking that since you all are just a practitioner and you like to do the practice, so thinking that you could get some benefit, and to have that kind of benefit and to develop your practice, then you just try to get rid of these doubts and hesitation, so that one could have some kind of experience, then you will know.
Nambichu, Cheparto Songachu, Ninatan Yanson, Yen needed those again. Ronde is Ron Demosibo, the son of Matons.
And then all the Buddhism, the Dharma teaching, and especially the secret Mantrayana practices, that every time just everything has to base on the loving kindness and generating the bodhicitta to benefit all sentient being, and other than that never ever think of self benefit.
Ronda Jinasipo Yabo Cerimbo, Lonsuchimo, or the Jing Yam Toba here, the Lizano Tonduna, the Ronda Toba Setan, Sobachim Bichu, Tibachim Bichu, Regima, Timere.
If there is the self-attachment and then thinking that I want to be rich, I want to be healthy, I want to be just have a long life, and I want to have my own experience, I want to accomplish my own quality, and in that way something just become just individual thing, that which is kind of attached to self-benefit, then that however whatever sort of practice you may do, that not necessarily it become a just a Dzogchen or Mahayana, even that just may become like a lesser vehicle or the Hinayana practice.
Chembojin, the Wachembo Lasso, but Chembojin also landed on Sense Juju.
So even the Dharma is the great perfection, the Dzogchen, but if you are just generation of mind or the generation of bodhicitta is just small, then the Dharma also becomes just small.
Then Karijung Ronda Ji Toba, you got to Tipa Torne, Yanfan and the Kati, and society.
So that is why every time try to just realize the selflessness and study and understand and try to abandon that self-attachment, and then try to just have more of the just generating bodhicitta to all beings. And if one just carry through that practice in a proper way, then one's own obscuration can be slowly got purified. And in the for example in a garden, and if you just water it, just little bit of water, it does help, but still it does not help completely. And when the just rain falls, then that there is more natural thing that the flowers would grow itself. Not only that one's own small garden, but the whole country, the place itself, just even the trees and grasses and everything is growing. So like the generating of bodhicitta, that whether it is just vast or just narrow, it is similar like that kind of example.
Tata ngaro che dubi tisu sente gase jache mosena soni ron number shon tibi takasu de samji de sente gala dan pendant jache gres.
And right now, how much vast bodhicitta one could just generate, and that much when one attains enlightenment, one could benefit the number of sentient beings.
Tata sense se to che chung de ma ye sa de dubi ache ma.
So that right now we have to just generate that bodhicitta, that there is nothing that one have to get something new from anywhere.
Malam karta sense karesh na tena tonje dan duba se bate kanjo son soji jarwa lama jarwa se don jarwa sonde reko che ke.
And then whatever one do the practice or generating the bodhicitta, and then to really accomplish in that way, then the aspiration prayers and supplication prayers to all the triple gem, and then all the just Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, including one's master, and that way just that will become a condition to accomplish one's practices. So now we are almost just done with our retreats. And then tomorrow we have the just Gana Chakra Puja. And then the just carrying through the practice of the Gana Chakra Puja, that is also just very important, that how one can accomplish through the accumulation of merit.
So, Toronto, Namchi Tasam Yuri, Rendiba, Yumka, Tenatanji Yuri, Sepa Setudo, Nanga, Tenon, also known then Gondon that the second told that there's some dance.
So that there are the practices of three root deities of the Namche, and also there is the Longchen Nyingti, that Rinzin Duba, and then Dagini Shetojel's practice. These there are just translations, books, and so. And then also there is the Bhajarkilaya practices. So in this way, even just in your home, like a 10th and 25th of the day of the month, you can just carry through these practices. Also, it is just good. And also that just every time, if as like a daily basis practice, if one can do, still that one can accumulate more merit. And then I don't have any just quality or just power, but still that I will do my aspiration prayers for you all, that you could carry through your practice and may not have any obstacle and be successful with your practices. So that doing the aspiration prayers, there is no any restriction that anyone can just do that, prayer, and according to that, there are certain accomplishments.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. That didn't work.
So open page 77.